Hello everyone, my name is Alessandro and today we are in Firenze, way back in time in the 15th century. The city is building the huge Duomo di Firenze and now it's lunchtime. The construction workers usually had different kinds of meat and it was often the beef muscle. It is a pretty hard meat and it is used to make those long cooked dishes. The workers made bricks in ceramic bowls and they cooked the meat in the same bowls. To not burn it, they threw inside whatever they had, but we are in Italy, so they had a lot of red wine. So the meat cooked in the red wine with black pepper for a long time, and that's why it is called Peposo. You need 600 gram beef, half liter red wine, a lot of black pepper, 4 garlics, and of course bread, because we are making the starter. We start with the beef. Try to make all the pieces at the same size. It's good for the meat to cook at the same way. Now you take the meat and you put it inside here. I take my garlic and you pop, 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 pop inside, baby. Pepper, because it calls Peposo. Questo è il pepe in Italian. And then, oh, salt. Look at that. You mix it, yes. We want to keep the tradition, so we have a Chianti here, but if you have a Sangiovese or a Morellino di Scansano, something from Tuscany, because it's a Tuscany dish. Yes. Don't you dare to be drunk inside there. So, and it will rest for about 1 hour. Outside the fridge, not inside. I wish I could do the same. So after 1 hour, you put everything inside your pot. Are you ready? Are you ready for this beauty? And voila! I'm sorry, we don't have the ceramic pot, but this one is pretty nice anyway. And now you are going to let it cook for about 3 hours with low temperature. Oof, look how beautiful. It smells like wine. 3 hours are gone and I'm started to grill my bread. You can see here. I'm gonna turn it. Oh, la 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 la. Yes. Oh, crispy. Come on now, come on. Here, the bread is done. The bread is done. So, I put my bread here. It's 3. I don't have space with more. I've coated here a little bit of parsley. Now, my friends, you are going to see the Peposo bruschetta. You put the Peposo here. Oh, so beautiful. Signori, l'antipasto è pronto.